Are you struggling to calculate the average of rows in a data frame while ignoring negative values? You're not alone. Today, we're going to solve this common issue together. I totally get it. It can be really frustrating when you're trying to analyze data and negative values throw off your calculations. Many people face this challenge, so you're in good company. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked how to get the average of a row in a data frame, but only using values greater than or equal to 0. They provided an example data frame that includes negative numbers. Sound familiar? Let's dive into the solution. So what's the issue here? When you calculate the average using the standard method, negative values can skew your results. We need a way to filter those out before calculating the average. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that will make your data analysis even smoother. To begin solving this problem, the user should first create a mask that identifies all values in the data frame that are greater than or equal to 0. This will help in filtering the data for the average calculation. Next, the user can apply this mask to the data frame. By using the mask, they can replace any values that do not meet the condition with 0. This way, only the values greater than or equal to 0 will be considered in the average calculation. Now, the user can calculate the mean of each row using the modified data frame. This will ensure that the average is computed only from the values that are greater than or equal to 0. Finally, the user can review the updated data frame. This will show the original values along with the calculated mean, which now excludes any negative values. Fun fact, did you know that data frames are like spreadsheets on steroids? They can handle complex data manipulations with just a few lines of code. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach provided by another user involves using NumPy for efficiency. They suggest converting the data frame to a NumPy array and replacing values less than 0 with NN. Then you can calculate the mean while ignoring NN values. This method is not as concise as the previous one, but it offers improved performance. The user provides timing comparisons showing that their approach is significantly faster. Here's that quick tip I promised. Always check your data for negative values before performing calculations. It can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. You now know how to calculate the average of rows in a data frame while ignoring negative values. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on data analysis.